Welcome to this YouTube channel, Biafra latest updates. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. If this is the first time that you're coming across this video or you're stopping by this channel, please enter and grab a seat. In this channel, we do all breaking news concerning Biafrans or any latest updates concerning Biafrans or our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want you to watch this video to the end and write on the comment section what you think about the video. Do well to write your opinion constructively, because in this channel, every opinion do count. So my people, do watch the video to the end, and if you like the video, do share the video to your friends and family. Comment on the comment section, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be among the first to be notified. I will see you in my next video. Let's watch the video together.
And DOS is the only, I repeat, the only authorized highest office that is taking us to the right direction in the absence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He made it known to each and every one of us. Any information, any order, or counter order, or counter information you are receiving from any angle, be it on Twitter, be it on Facebook, be it on WhatsApp, or anywhere you are getting that order, as long as it is not coming from DOS, it is fake. And I am speaking as a media wing of this movement. As part of media wing of this movement, I am speaking on that same authority that whosoever that want to tell us truth must listen first to DOS, because they are the only people that whatever they tell you, you take it. That is the structure. I am brother to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You are not a member of DOS, and you are not the leader of the DOS leader. Whatever you say has nothing to do with the struggle. I am a sister to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he senior me direct. In fact, he surrendered breast for me. And Nnamdi Kanu sunu menka. It is irrelevant. It doesn't make sense, because this is a movement. We are talking about a country here. The only people that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu signed and say, you are going to be the people that will move this movement in my absence, is DOS. Now maybe Nnamdi Kanu papa, na me bonam, Nnamdi Kanu is my son. He say you people should do this. Ignore such message. Now maybe the mama, I carry a 9 months from my belly, and he sent message say I should tell you people this. Do not listen to such message. Ignore it. Because when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was outside, he set up a structure. And that structure was built on the principle of truth, honesty, transparency. That when you don't hear from me, this is the office that you're going to take order from. So any other person, I don't want to know who you are. I don't want to know where you come from. I use example that I am Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I am the father, I am the sister, I am the brother. For you to understand the enormity of you taking any message from anybody related to him as a brother or as a sister or as a cousin or as anything, if not from DOS. I know some people may be offended by what I'm saying, but it is truth, and I must say it the way it is. And as they hurt, now so me they talk, I know they fear nobody. I have sacrificed my 9 years. I repeat, I have sacrificed my 9 years in this struggle. I dedicated my 9 solid years, 9 years in this struggle, consistently, devotedly. I left everything I am doing. Everything I am doing, I committed into this struggle for good 9 years. So I will not stand to see somebody from somewhere to come and truncate the order and the structure that was laid down by the one and the only leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, the man we all love so much, the man that is leading us to the right direction, and the man whose God have given the mantle of this leadership. I won't listen to anybody. I say it in the I say it. I'm saying it in the at back. Now I'm saying it in the front for everybody to know. I can't take order from anybody apart from that constituted office. Christmas Nnamdi Kanu say, this is the office to represent me in my absence. So Biafrans, you need to be happy because as a they are attacking this account. They are reporting it. They are attacking this account. Hey, oh my God. They are reporting it. They want to bring the program down. But they cannot. You know why? Because Chukwu Gikabiama is the one that is moving this movement, that is leading this movement. So anybody, any man, any woman, any uncle, any aunt, any brother, any sister, any whatever connection to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is not order, that is not coming from DOS is false. I respect every member of his family. I respect everybody that is of Kanu family. I respect them to the core. I respect them to the core. And Chukwu Kabiama knows that I do respect them. I see Kanu family as my family. But as long as the structure of IPOB is consigned, it is only DOS that has the authorized signatory to give order that people will listen to. So any other thing any other person is saying, it is called ase nasosibo. Neba bolia erolo lompa. Ndawsa kenye ndawsa amahama so awsa biko ndawsa gwanum onwe na so awsa from eba. Ya dele mi ndawsa boro ye na to ashibikon. Therefore, dear friends, if you don't listen to Ifanye Jofo, if you don't listen to DOS, if you choose to listen to any other angle, wherever you think, me, I am your mouthpiece. I'm speaking for you guys. I am bringing information from the inside to the outside. And if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will tell you that President Ellington is one of the people that you should listen to when you don't hear from me, when I am not broadcasting, that means he knows that I cannot lie to you. He knows that I am going to tell you the truth. He knows that I know the truth and at the right time when to say it. That is why he said it. He said it. And while he was outside, I was telling you guys the truth. I was doing my work until he was, kidnapped and brought back to Nigeria. So the same Mazi Nnamdi became, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was outside, it's the same Mazi Nnamdi became now. But there's a little bit different. The difference is that I have now added more fire into the Chukwu became that you are seeing now, because my leader is under the enemy's camp. And that fire is going to consume every enemy that is fighting to disorganize the structure that my leader have set on the ground. I don't want to know who you are. It's not about talking yeah. Peace, love, unity is among us, and nobody can scatter it. But any bad egg among us will be fished out. If I told you this now, you will not be listening to me. Because the mabro, white and white, the white garment, they say they catch him, they don't bring him out in the court because they have killed him. You people should start burning places. You should start doing this. Shut up. Follow who Sabi road. Take instruction from only one direction. Central command, that is DOS, led by Chimazi Kedoziem. That is where you can listen to. Once DOS say, you know it is from DOS. So any other thing you are seeing is a distraction. Any other thing, I'm the one telling you this night. Any other thing, any counter explanation or counter whatever. Biafrans, only that is fighting against DOS, fight against that person. Whoever that is giving any counter order on the information that is dished out by the DOS, that person is your enemy. That person is my enemy. Whatever that person posts, bring it down. I am telling you this.